Dictation will start in 15 seconds. The learned council has relied on several decisions of different high courts, even of this court, to contend that the provisions of section 141 of the Civil Procedure Code apply to a testamentary suit. The learned counsel also referred to several orders made by this court granting interim orders in testamentary suits in relation to the properties. The learned counsel also relied on a judgment of the learned single judge of the Calcutta High Court in the case of Priyam Vada Devi Birla versus Lakshmi Devi Newar and another 2005 under bracket 4 CHN 544. Perusal of the provisions of section 247 shows that the court itself does not, while making an order for appointment of administrator, decided what is the property left behind by the deceased, and it does not make any interim order in relation to the property. Thus, to my mind, it is clear that in the Act itself there is no provision made authorizing testamentary court to make interim order as a matter of course for protection of the property during the pendency of the testamentary suit. No doubt, not only section 141 but the entire Civil Procedure Code is applicable to a testamentary suit. Therefore, the power of the court under order would also be available to the court for making orders of temporary injunction. But for making an order of temporary injunction under order, the property in relation to which the order is sought has to be subject matter of the suit. Similarly is the case with the provisions of Order 10L in relation to appointment of the receiver. An order of temporary injunction or an order appointing the receiver can be made by the court only in relation to the property which is subject matter of the suit. A civil court can also make interim order in relation to property which is not the subject matter of the suit but interim court.